this. Oh, I shouldn't be picking it up like this. I'm putting it in now. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's a specific kind of way. Put this in. Okay. I just gotta apply a little pressure to it. See, everything's in place. So now here's the GPU it's in. The click, you see, it's all in. I got the CPU in. Oh God. Now I just gotta put thermal paste on that. Then put my heatsink on. And then I'll put the aftermath video. And by the way, I rearranged the RAM right here. So yeah, I rearranged it. Alright.